Right, good morning guys. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. What's happening? Good morning, good afternoon. You might hear some drilling and some other noises, hammering. They are busy doing construction in my house, so I will mute myself when I do that, but they should be finished hopefully by next week, so we'll see. But yeah, I will just mute myself if there is any noise. Hope you guys are doing well. Cracking, very nice. Hope people got in that one. Very simple trade on that. Very nice off support here. Bang, straight up. Gonna go through Twitter and then I will go through the rest of YouTube. So you guys can put tickets in here if you want. It'd be much easier if you do post in here because then I don't have to keep going through Twitter. So we will go through here. Let's have a look. So we have, let me see. Guys, I'm not going to tell you when to enter. If you want to know when to enter, simply just join the Discord. That's when I mention I enter trades and anything. Twitter, I just shared setups. That's all. BNED is bearish. So make it very easy for you guys to see. BNED is very, very bearish. So there's no sign reversal, no area of support, nothing yet. So we have to wait for that. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon. What else is there? BNED. Yeah, Peggy. Someone told me look at Peggy. Nice. So Peggy, yeah, broke out. I mentioned it here for you guys. Over here when it was just before it was breaking out. Very nice on this. Your resistance levels are here. You have this level here and then here. So these are your next levels. These are not targets. You do not hold for these prices. These are just next resistance levels that are short term. So these are your Peggy key levels. Peggy key levels. So you can keep this, save this. You know what happens is if it breaks above this level, there's a high probability to go to this. Goes above that, high probability to go up to that. So focus on your key levels. Right, let me see what else is moving. Okay, someone else mentioned Kit. Guys, I'll get to you guys on YouTube. I'm just going through my Twitter, then I'll have a look. So just bear with me. Kit is up 5% in a demand zone. Maybe this is good entries here. Kit might be good entries here, but yeah, everything under $1 is pretty much running. So you could basically pick any stock under $1 and it's running. So that's kind of what I've noticed. Not really anything over $1, which isn't great for me for alerts because I will not be giving any alerts under $1. But I do just give setups and let people know in Discord if they want to enter those trade setups. But yeah, nothing over $1, which is not that great. In demand zone. So if this is in demand zone, that's where buyers step in. There's a higher probability the price will go up, 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 up. That is why I share the demand zone, because it's easy and visually pleasing for everyone to see. Rightio, let's see. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Right, Peggy, Peggy, Peggy. Yes, Peggy levels are here. Very nice. TUP, this one got absolutely rocked. This is just a meme stock. So for me, Peggy, you can see, look, TUP, this is when it had volume here and then here. Look at this now, what is happening? Make it very easy for yourself. Identify where's area of support, where's resistance, right here. Now we can identify that this is the range that you're trading in. Volume is very, very low. No need to trade this. If it breaks above here, maybe above 215, you could maybe consider anything. If you're trying to look for any trade setups or any entries on TUP, it's a very easy one. Above 256. Otherwise, I would not be touching this. Nothing on this at all. So TUP is ranging. You do not buy in a range. So TUP is ranging. That just means if it breaks above the range, there is a high probability it will go up. Discord is goated. That's right, bro. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What else? Hollow. Let me just mute myself. Right, Hollow looks like it's trying to break out here. Look, so Hollow, we can see that this is your falling wedge. This is expected to break out. This is a very nice setup. I do have it on my watch list. I'm probably going to look for entries on this, but hopefully it doesn't break out before it runs. So Hollow expecting a big breakout on this. Where would I enter? I always enter inside of the chart pattern. I do not play the breakout. So I'm not going to enter up here. I'm not going to enter down here. I'm not going to enter up here. I would enter anywhere inside of this pattern because it's expected to break out, right? Hello. Is my volume okay? Wait, let me try maybe turn the volume up. Hello. Is it better now? Hello? Maybe it was a little further away. Let me know. I think it might be better. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, actually, no, it was further away. That's my bad. It must be better now. MGOL is in a reversal situation right now. Here's your demand zone, 1 hourly. Starting to get green candles. Buys are stepping in. So maybe good possible buys here on this MGOL. Kraken. Everybody who's watching Kraken, please. No, keep turning your volume up. I don't know how to turn it up. It should be... Hello. I don't know why it's quiet. I don't know. I might have to sort it out. Oh, wait. I might be able to do this. Where do I go? Give me 1 second. Let me try and find out how to do this. Filters. Here we go. Audio filter. Gain. Here we go. I think this would be better. Hello. Let me know if this is better. I don't really know how to use OBS, but plenty of volume here. Oh, right. Okay, good. It might be a bit loud now, but let me know. Okay, everyone's asking about Kraken. Everybody wants to know what's going to happen to Kraken. I have no idea what's going to happen to Kraken, but I can tell you on a technical basis right now, it is breaking out of a resistance. What is a resistance? Everybody knows what a resistance is. If you don't, it is where an area is more likely to reject and go down than go up. Here, look at this. Make it very easy for you to understand. Every time it's got up to here, it has what? Rejected. Therefore, right, now make it easy for yourself. If it keeps rejecting here, no need to buy. You know, right, now thinking logically about it, stepping away from trading, understanding, okay, if it breaks above this level and it's going to use this as support, what is going to happen now? It is probably going to go up, right? Because it's broken above this level. Think about, I don't know, like a water pipe or something bursting through the roof. What is going to happen, right? It's going to probably keep going through the roof, right? If it's going to reject, right, it's probably because there's a strong air resistance. Kraken, yeah, Zcar. Is Zcar done? No, Zcar is not done. We will see what it does do. It's just pulling back. It was up like over 100 and something %. This is no longer a demand zone. Sorry about the noise, guys. There's nothing I can really do right now, but I will do my best. But yes, right now it is bearish. Yes, it is in downtrend. It does not mean it's done. The stock is up 60%. Okay, the stocks always, remember, think about it logically. Stocks go up and they go down. The higher they're up, if they're up 700%, there's more likely it's probably going to come down, right? But just because a stock is up 60%, it doesn't mean that it won't continue to go up. So just think about it logically and understand technicals. Where is an area of support? Where is area of resistance? It was most likely going to pull back into area of demand and an area of support. Here is your support level right here. So if it pulls back to this level and you start to get a green candle close, that indicates that there is an area of support, right? Look, red and green indicates area of support, right? Green and red indicates area of resistance. It's that simple. Volume, you can hear me fine. Okay, cool. AKTS. AKTS is getting absolutely rocked. Leave that thing alone. Look, it's down 30%. Leave it. It's down. I mean, you're at support. Maybe if you want to try and force a trade, you can take it. Stop loss would be underneath this level. That's how I would do it. Volume is a little low. Sorry, guys. I don't know why. Volume good here, bro. That's much better. Okay, cool. Nice. It works. Good. Zcar, MC, Zcar. Everyone's asking about Zcar. I just want to... You guys got Zcar? Yes. SINT. What's happening with SINT? SINT is broken out now of this downtrend. If it closes above this, there is a higher probability it will continue to go up. So SINT is breaking out. Right, so for me, I do not play breakouts. It's already moved from the initial entry where I would have taken it, so that's why I don't play breakouts. AMC, the Pumpers Paradise play. Game's moving? No, it's not. AMC, there is nothing on AMC for me personally. I would just simply mark the resistance, which is around here. So if it breaks above 509, you could consider some entries, but yeah, AMC is the only type of play you would trade if it had serious volume and game in them all running. Otherwise, you're going to be difficult. People don't trade this just to trade it. they either pump it or they just leave it alone. Needs 509 break above. Guys, like up the stream. Let me see how many people we have. 90 people in here and we have 12 likes. Guys, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Get to at least 30 likes, 40 likes, 50 likes. It's very easy to do so. Okay, you can hear me perfectly. Right, cool. Let me check this out. GWAV is right here. Am I entering GWAV? If GWAV goes above, where is this? If it breaks above VWAP, yes, maybe you can consider. I don't trade. Excuse me. I do not trade when I'm doing YouTube. Because I'm answering all your questions and looking at charts and everything. So I will do that. NVIDIA, Kraken, Zcar, SINT, AMC. Hassie called GWAV yesterday on a volume break. Yeah, he got the break. It was a fucking great trade, man. Good job, Hassie, bro. Work SP. Nothing on this. A chart like this I don't like, so all I do is just mark an area of resistance and then support like this. And then if it does break above the resistance, then maybe you can consider entries. But at the moment, very, very low volume, nothing on that. Zcar, I just went over it. GWAV, I just went over it. Nothing unless it breaks above. I would say if it closes above VWAP, which is this green line, if you get a candle close above, higher probability will go up. Right now, nothing. VWAP is a very simple indicator. If it's above VWAP, okay, if the stock is below VWAP as it is now, that means it is bearish. That is acting as an area of resistance. So every time it gets to VWAP, it keeps rejecting. If it closes above, there's a high probability it will continue to go up. BRSH. I think I went over BRSH already. Yeah, BRSH, nothing on this at the moment, so... Oh no, here. Yeah, it's consolidating. Nothing on that. Nothing. Keep turning volume up. Oh shit, I'm losing the chat here. Turn up to 12 dBs. Oh. Properties. No. Oh wait. Hello. Wait, what about now? Hello? Hello. Maybe that's better. Let me know. Now I think my mic's on. I don't think my mic was plugged in. Maybe. I can hear you perfectly. Volume is good. That's much better. I can hear you. BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed is here, bro. I don't know. BuzzFeed's a little bit difficult, this one. This one didn't do much yesterday. I gave it as alert yesterday. I got stopped out the first play, and then after... it ran, but it didn't really keep on going. There wasn't any continuation, which I'm surprised about. So we'll see what it does do. Maybe a 2-day runner. It is only down. It's down 5% from 20. So we'll see. But yeah, channel down pattern. Expected to break above. So we'll see. Oh, much better. Nice. Perfect. My mic wasn't connected. That's the issue. My bad. Sorry. GWAV. Everybody's banging on about GWAV. BuzzFeed, BRSH, SINT, ASTI, and VHI. ASTI is here. I like ASTI. ASTI is just chilling right now. These are your levels. I'm going to move this up here. This is your next level here. So here's ASTI right here. Currently the volume's not really there anymore, but we'll see. I think it will run today. You just wait for it. VHAI is nice. I think it broke out and then it pulled back. Yeah, VHAI needs to... I don't know. For this one right now, it's kind of a weird chart. I know it's up 13%, which is a good thing. So maybe, let's see. I would say, yeah, just watch this play. If this can get above 0.15, that would be great. That's the kind of level you need to look for. ISPC has no volume at all. So if this can break above, yeah, nothing unless 0.45. Look at this. See this resistance here. If it breaks above like this, you get a candle closure above. Then there is a higher probability it will go up. But right now, nothing on ISPC, unfortunately. GWAV I'm entering. I'm not entering GWAV. I won't be entering anything. Once you're in a trade, you use 5 minutes. I use 5 minutes to take my trades. Sometimes I use 1 minute to look for confirmation. But most of the time, I use 5 minutes for my entries. I don't really use any other time frame. It's the most consistent for day trading, in my opinion. And for my setups, at least. SLNA, I just went over this one. Here are your levels. You can screenshot this and save it if you need to, but yeah, it should be very clear on that. What do you think? Let me know what you guys think about this SLNA. I'm not really a fan of it at the moment. What is going on? SLNA, SOUN. This SOUN's a very good play. AI stock. It did previously break out of this falling wedge I had, so now we can see that, I guess it's in another downtrend here. If we had to update this chart, we have to remove this now because it's no longer valid. We can use around here, maybe. I don't know. We can use this level and see. We can see what this does. Maybe it'll go up and push all the way. Yeah, like this. We'll see. Like, this is your kind of setup. I'm trying to make it as bullish as I can, to be honest with you. But yeah, ideally you wanted $5 pullback would be great entries in my opinion. So maybe you could wait till then. FFIE. Wow, first person asked about FFIE. Here's FFIE right here. I still think this thing will go, in my opinion. I don't know. But it's holding $1. If it goes under $1, then maybe just time to give up on it. But yeah, you shouldn't be, I don't know. It's expected to break out. Wolf is a very good setup. I like this. Larger time frame, this is very bullish. Very nice chart. Here are your levels as well for this Wolf. What is going with AGBA down every day? Yeah, AGBA is getting rocked. I don't know what's going on with it, but it just keeps going down and down. I mean, it's in the demand zone, but ever since that run up, it's pretty much just pulled back every time. So I would cut it under 196, to be honest with you. Not really a good day trade setup. Maybe a swing, but I don't know anything. Do BRSH. Forget your manners at home. BRSH, there is absolutely nothing. Nothing. What do you think of GOVX? GOVX is up 12%. Not the volume that I like. I don't know, I have to look at larger time frames or larger time frames to see the key levels. This is your next level around here, 280. So it looks like it's heading to around 280, but this is your support around here. This is what you have for GOVX, so nothing on this at the moment, just chilling. Way better, cool. SLNA, I've just gone over SLNA about 20 times. SLNA, if BRH gets PR, yeah, I mean, any catalyst will get that thing going. Too loud. It's actually too loud. Love what you do, how to explain. Thank you, Wayne, appreciate it. Thank you, better. Too loud, you were good before. Wait, let me just turn this thing off. Let me turn this gain off, filters. How do I turn this thing off? Oh wait, no, I didn't even know how to turn it off. No, it should be fine. You guys can just turn the volume down. What about ONMD? ONMD was parabolic. Some people in the Discord got in this thing earlier. I posted for you guys on Twitter here. Literally right here. Wow. Who is in ONMD? You are on the moon. Congratulations on ONMD, whoever's in that thing. But this thing is, wow, it's $1 now. I mean, it's up 222%. Think about it logically, guys. What play is moving the strongest? Which play is running? Which play looks like it has the highest potential of running? And ONMD is the one. That is a crazy move. Literally 1 hour ago, I mentioned this thing on Twitter, and it was at, let me see. This thing was at 6389. It was literally here. It was right here. It's up 158% from there. Wow. Congrats to whoever's in that. But at least something's over $1. That's all I care about. However, if this thing holds, it will be removed from my watch list. What about NMD? GWAV. GWAV is here. GWAV is, it needs to get above VWAP. Look, right here. Nothing unless it breaks above VWAP. You missed EMVX about it above, but it's okay. My bad. I haven't checked. I haven't been looking through everything. There's about 100 messages here. I will get to all your messages, guys. Don't worry. ISPC, nothing. ASTS. Nothing on this. I don't really like this chart, to be honest. Not my kind of setup. I would wait for this level to break, whatever this is. 490. Breaks above 490, have clean range to like 560 level, so that's what I would focus on. But trying to enter now is not worth it, in my opinion. Right, let's see how many likes we have. Come on. 49 likes. Who's going to be the 50th person to like it? HLTH. This one ran, was it Monday or last week? HLTH. I think it ran one day only. HLTH, nothing on this. This is a terrible chart. I don't like this kind of chart at all. I would just say it's bearish at the moment. Yeah, nothing on HLTH, unfortunately. ONMD, I went on that one. Kraken, SPWR. SPW has a huge short percentage, I think. I don't know if it's changed, but yeah. It got this huge breakout here finally, and then now if we're looking on the 1 hour, it's pulling back. We have this support level around here, 305. So 1%, but yeah, nothing on this. I would wait. Here, 330. You could wait for 330. Right now it's like ranging in this. ENVX. ENVX is right here. ENVX. Yeah, this was one of the swing trades I was going to give. I like the setup. It's very good. Very nice setup. Bullish. Very bullish. Broke out of this level. Pushed up. I like ENVX a lot. FI got earnings on the 28th, which is 5 days. Nice, 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 nice. Will not. I do not suggest holding through earnings. Just letting you guys know. What is this? STSS. I know this was running pre-market, but huge sell-off. Nothing on this, unfortunately. I would wait for at least at 0.30989. CTNT over. Yeah, nothing on that, unfortunately. Doesn't look too great, in my opinion. I would just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed is here. Nothing on BuzzFeed. It's just kind of consolidating. Let me mark $3 as well so I have an idea here. Right, $3 is here. So I would personally wait for $3 break above. Look, it's a big resistance level from yesterday as well. I entered here and I got stopped out, and then I re-entered here and it ran all the way up. But it looks good. Thank you, thank you. CYT has news today. Nice. Let me see. Is it running? CYTO, nice. We have a stock over $1. I'll just add it. I don't really like this chart right now, but I'm just gonna keep it on my watch list. Buru is running. Let me check Buru out. Buru, 14%. Maybe TUP will follow. Maybe the memes will follow on this. Here is your resistance. 0.19. 0.19 here. So I would say if it breaks above 0.19, maybe you could look for entries, or even risky entries above 0.17. So like here, 0.17. So this is your level. If it breaks above this, then you have resistance here, next level. What is up with GWAV? GWAV, what is up with you? What is up with you, GWAV? Here we go. It's respecting this very well. Needs VWAP. GWAV is cooking. Maybe you could look for entries here if you wanted to. Huge volume candle that indicates buyers are stepping in. Huge push to the upside. How do you know when it will reverse? What's your confirmation for entry? Candlestick pattern. What do you do exactly? I just use I understand support and resistance, so I find like demand zones is a very good way to find reversals. You can use indicators as well. For me, I personally just use the 5-minute chart because I day trade and I wait for confirmation, where you need a red and a green candle, which indicates area of support, and then other things as well that I use. But yeah, candlestick patterns is very good. Is a very good way. You can use bullish reversal patterns, which I use a lot. Yeah. Are you in GWAV? I am not in GWAV. I am not in any stock right now. 0 stocks. Nothing, nothing, nothing. I expect GWAV to break out, to go up. This is a bullish continuation pattern. I believe in VHI. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Yeah, TOVX. I saw this one Hassie mentioned as well. Looks like a pump and dump, so off my watch list. I was the 50th like. Yes, Hassie, bro. 59. Come on, guys. We can keep going, keep going, keep going. Peace. Is B dead? Dead. I'm assuming BNet. Yes, BNet, guys. I'm assuming you guys just joined, but BNet is nothing. Nothing on BNet. Nothing, nothing, nothing. I don't know why everyone's watching this play, but there's nothing on this play. Look, if a stock is going down, just leave it. Draw the line that, literally draw the line like this. If this is a chart, okay, you can see that what? From here to here is a downtrend. If something is going down, why would you buy it? If something's going up, you want to buy it, right? It's literally that simple. SPWR, yes, SPWR. I went over this one. It just has a high short percentage. I said above 330, maybe you could consider some entries. Kraken is coming down. So look, it is rejecting resistance here. Look, big wick here and here. If it closes above, then maybe you can look for an entry. Peggy's moving nice. Peggy's a very strong setup right now as well. What's Zcar doing? Wow. Okay, Zcar got absolutely rocked. I'm deleting that thing. ASTI, I still like this setup a lot. ASTI is a very, very nice setup. I am watching this one big time, big time, big time, big time. I don't know how many of you guys are watching this one as well. I definitely recommend watching this. I'm going to go through my watch list, guys, and I'm going to head into the Discord. Let me just update my watch list and see what else is moving. CYTO, ABLV. I don't think this thing's moving there. Okay, nothing. So, look here. I'll go through my watch list. CYTO. I'm just going to keep this on watch. It is up 30%. Hollow, maybe I'll watch it. Needs to break out of this falling wedge here, which is expected. BuzzFeed, this one wasn't that strong yesterday. If it can close above $3, then maybe I'd consider some entries. FFIE, I don't know, this thing needs to hold $1. ONMD is the strongest setup on the stock market right now. This thing is up 200%. Right, now you have to wait. Here is your demand zone. You have the red candles indicating an area of support and resistance. So now you can see what's going on. If it pulls back into demand zone, maybe you can consider some entries. But right now, you don't want to keep buying because it's running crazy. Strongest setup. Yeah, this is the strongest setup by far, ONMD. Right, what else? ASTI, I like this setup. I still do. I know the volume's dying, but I still like this setup a lot. Peggy, very bullish. It's broke out of this level very nicely. GWAV, let's see. Come on, break out of this. Needs VWAP. Kraken, pulling back as well. NCPL, I'm just going to remove this play. MGOL, VHAI. So there's not really too many plays for me personally, like my setups. As I trade only usually $1 stocks above. But we will see what happens. These blue ones are stocks above $1. So yeah, I mean, the top play I would say is definitely ONMD. That needs to be on everyone's watch list for sure. I would just make sure if it can hold $1, that would be ideal. You don't want anything below $1 on this thing if it comes down. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for joining. I know we have 3-4 people that just joined the Discord, so welcome. Please check your DMs. I will send you a message and you can have a look. It's just a starter pack to watch the video and intro and everything so you can understand how alerts work. So thank you again, guys, for all the support on Twitter. I greatly appreciate it. We are growing very, very quickly, which is great. If you want to join myself and Hassie in the Discord where we give alerts, live trading and everything, it is here where we do live trading every day and so on. If you want to join, feel free. So can you show your chart settings real quick? Yeah. Oops. Here we go. Here, 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 and here. Let me know. Should be good. But yeah, I just choose any. I mean, I just remove the corporate stuff. I just make it as clean as I can. All right, members, I will see you in a bit. I'm going to send out the link in like 15 minutes. I'll catch you then. Thanks again, guys, for all the support. I greatly